Hello Arya.
Hello.
Today we are going to learn about the fact families.
What's that?
You don't know about the fact families, right? So we are going to learn about it. So what is a fact family? Fact family is made up of three numbers which are related to each other. For example, 10, 8 and 2. These three numbers are related to each other as when we add 8 and 2, it gives a sum of 10. We can make 4 number sentences using these three numbers, 2 for addition and 2 for subtraction. Importance of fact family is that it builds a strong base for subtraction. As we all know that addition is easier for a child, but when it comes to subtraction, it's a bit trickier for them to understand. But by using the different manipulatives for fact family or the activities, it's very easy to understand for a child that there is a relationship between addition and subtraction. There is a house in front of you.
Yes.
I'm going to give you 3 numbers. Okay? And you have to find the relationship between them. Just think about it for some time and then you come up with what's going on there. Okay? Let me give you 3 numbers. Got it? Arya, you have 3 numbers in front of you?
Yes.
2, 8 and 10.
Yes.
Now can you think something about this? Is there any relationship between them? Just think about it for 5 seconds. Can we make any number sentence using those?
No, I mean 8 and 2 makes 10.
8 plus 2 is 10.
Yes.
These numbers are from which circle?
10 points.
Yes, correct. These numbers are from the 10-point circles. They make 10.
Yes.
So you know 8 and 2 makes 10.
Yes.
And 2 and 8 also makes 10.
2 and 8 also makes 10.
Is it?
Yes.
So these 3 numbers are of one family. They are family members. Like you and I are family members. So these 3 numbers are family members. These numbers live under the same roof like us. Okay? Arya, there is a house
Yes.
and there is a door.
Yes.
So open the door.
Okay, I opened the door handle.
Now please write these 3 numbers there.
Okay, I'll write.
So you have written all these 3 numbers?
Yes.
2, 8,
10.
10. And you have just told me that 8 and 2 makes
10.
10. There are 2 windows in the house.
Yes.
One window
Yes.
and the other window. Yes, these are 2 windows. So the first window says 2 addition sentences. With these 3 numbers, you can make 2 addition sentences. What are those? 2 plus 8 equals 10.
2 plus 8 equals 10. So I'll
Write down, yes.
2.
Now, please make the other sentence, addition sentence. What it can be?
It can be 8 plus. I know what to do.
Okay. So, you have made 2 addition sentences.
Yes.
2 plus 8 equals 10 and 8 plus 2 equals 10.
10.
Arya, now open the other window. That window is for the 2 subtraction sentences. So, what can be the sentence now?
Yes.
Yes.
10 minus 2 equals 8.
Okay, good job. Please write it down then.
The second sentence will be
10 minus 8 equals 2.
Yes.
in the next activity we have pasted few squares and on each square I have given 3 numbers and inside the square she has practiced writing the 4 number sentences. She really enjoyed this activity as it was fun to open each flap and then write the sentences. I have made this fact family board using the simple paper, and then I have laminated it so that we can write on top of it using a simple marker and can be cleaned by wiping it. On this side, it's a fact family board for addition and subtraction, and on the other side, it's a fact family board for multiplication and division, which we will use later.
In the fact family board, the two corners at the bottom are in the same color background, yellow, and the top one is in the white color. On top of the white background, we are going to write the sum of the numbers. For example, 10, and in the bottom we can write 6 and 4. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. We can tell the kid that if numbers are written on the same color background, those can be added, but if they are in the different colors background, we have to subtract them, and we can find which number is the greater number, and as per that we can subtract. For example, in this one, 10 is the greater number and 6 is the smaller number. So 10 minus 6 is equals to 4, and 10 minus 4 is equals to 6, because 10 and 6 are in different colors. Also, sometimes we can give only two numbers instead of three numbers, and if those two numbers are written on the same color background, the kid can understand that they are on the same background, so they needed to be added to find the sum to write it down, that answer, on the white background. But if the two numbers are written on the two different colors, they needed to be subtracted, and then they can find the third number. So Aria, what you have learned by the fact family?
And the fact family,
How many numbers are there in the fact family?
there were 3 numbers.
Yes. So in a fact family there are 3 numbers, and all those 3 numbers are related to each other, correct? And we can make 4 number sentences using those 3 numbers. 2 for addition, 2 for subtraction. Thank you, Arya.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.